Hey guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Talk. Today we are going to be learning about something very important and interesting. It's going to be a word of the day. Today's word is going to be about being angry or being tempered. And our word is scowl. Scowl. Scowl is being spelled as S-C-O-W-L. Scowl. Now let's see its meaning. As I mentioned, scowl means to be angry or badly tempered at someone or something. Now let's see its parrot speech. It can be used both as a noun and as well as a verb. That depends on your sentence structure. Now let's see a parrot sentence. She looked at me with a scowl at her face. That's the parrot sentence. I'll meet you tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye, see you later.